Oh, that means birds are coming.
Can you hear them?
Yeah.
They love it when you put that bread out. I think they're going to really like that leftover cinnamon bread we had.
Are you doing a video?
Uh-huh.
Yay!
Can you hear the birds?
Yeah.
They're getting excited.
Yep. And I'm going to feed them.
Do you think they're coming down yet?
Not just yet.
You know, last Sunday we had 2 cardinals and 2 robins and mourning doves. That's a good job. Oh, you're my most best hugger. Best hugger.
And best snuggler.
And best snuggler. Okay, let's be
Hey,
really quiet. What,
You
sweetheart?
just throw it out because the
Yeah, you can do that.
can actually cover it with grass. There you go. It's all gone. Woo! Bessie!
The birds are getting excited. Can you hear them?
Yeah. I feel it. Yeah.
You've done a very good job, Brennan, of getting all that out.
Hey, can I take pictures?
I don't want any pictures of me. I still have my pajamas on.
You press this button to take the picture.
Oh, yeah. Let's go sit down in our swings.
Oh yeah, take a picture from a swing.
No, we're going to just be very quiet and watch the birds come.
Okay.
Because I promise you they will come.
I know what this chair is made out of.
What?
Weaving.
Yeah, we got that at Medieval Fair, remember?
Medieval Times Festival.
That's right.
That's where I saw my friend Austin that goes to my school.
Okay. We're going to be very quiet and let the birds come, okay?